After front office we go for the doctor, so we do the doctor login, and this is the doctor login, and this is the doctor dashboard. So when doctor will log in, then he see all the appointments, and the last one and the latest one, the both. So he can check the patient details from here. To click the patient name, so he can check all the details from here. After that he do the prescription, to make the prescription. So you go for the new prescription and select the patient name and put here the problem. What is the problem exactly? Like fever, like cold or anything. After that he give the some kind of test, the blood test, urine test, something, and so on, and give the medicine, to select the medicine from the list, and the doses, one the day doses, the two twice a day, so suppose the 5 day, after meal, before meal, comment if any, if want to write here. Also add the some another medicine from here, and so 4 day, anything, suppose you want another add, you can add another medicine, so and so on. And the next visit is 5 days or 6 days or 10 days, whatever. Then after that the save, when he saved, the prescription will comes here like this, the print prescription. You can print the prescription from here in the letterhead also, or if you want to put the some formatting, then we can do the format also. After that you can check the diagnosis report also of the patient from here. Suppose this patient have blood test, so he can check from here, diagnosis test. This is the blood test report. Doctor can check easily. After that also he can check the patient details from here also. In this section, the case ID, the patient admission. Suppose if the patient is admitted in the hospital, then you can see in the admission section the appointment, the document, and the vaccination if they have. So this is the doctor login and the doctor dashboard. The rest I'll do the next video. Thank you.